Hi there, it's Lee, Deep in Cleaning. I've not done a video for a while, so got an ideal opportunity today to show you around a 5-bedroom property. And it's a bit grubby. There's been, I think, four or five workmen living in here. It's been owned by a building company, so the guys that lived here, I don't think they were the best at cleaning. Hopefully I can make it look a lot better, ready for the new owners, because it's going to be sold. I'll spin the camera around in a second and quickly flash around the house to some of the highlights that I'm going to clean. During the video, maybe show you some of the process of what I'm doing, and certainly put some before and afters at the end. If you enjoy this video, please click like, subscribe if you want to see some more. And yeah, my name's Lee, Deep in Cleaning. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers. Here's the oven. Dirty. Lovely dirty carpet. Shower's a bit grubby. Can't wait to clean that toilet. Looks after the bath. Another nice shower door to clean. A lovely hygienic fridge and freezer. Shower screen, all clean. That's better. Floor to do, but all done.